I've actually wanted to attend Ed Slott's seminar for a number of years. It's the first opportunity I've had to do it because I need to be an expert myself to educate our advisors.
I mean, you're playing around with people's lives, and if it's not structured right, and you being an advisor, if you don't do it correctly, it can really have a bad influence and really influence, whoever's involved.
I don't want to be the guy sitting on the other end with a client saying, you never told me this and now it cost me a fortune. I don't want to be that guy. Being here at Ed Slott is going to help me not make those mistakes.
Obviously, trillions of dollars of wealth will transfer throughout the next few decades, and that wealth needs to be managed, addressed by specialists.
I mean, I definitely value education, but this is an area specifically, IRAs and qualified money, where I want to build deeper expertise.
You have to invest in education because the only difference between you and every other advisor out there, quite frankly, is your education.
I think every client out there who wants to deal with the best deserves the best. We have to apply ourselves and get the best updated knowledge and strategies available from the best sources, and that's what's right here.
Wow. Wow. Just wow. It's been incredible. It's a great learning, educational experience. Definitely worth it. I'll definitely come back.